Alright, you should already have a circle created using your compass. Now just so you know, depending on how wide you open this compass is going to tell you how big your circle is. So if you open it this big, expect the circle to be twice the size of this. Okay, because you're going to go half a rotation and then a complete one. Okay, so I didn't want a big circle because obviously I don't have that much room, so I made sure that my compass was that closed. Let's go ahead and move on to question 2. It says use the definitions to complete the construction the construction and answer each question. So right now I have my circle. I did that again by using the radius. Okay, so measured kind of a small radius so I didn't get such a huge circle. Then it's going to ask me to create a diameter. So I want to create this here. You can't just draw a straight line and assume that you created a diameter unless you started a circle with a diameter created. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a ruler or protractor. Doesn't matter as long as it's a straight edge. I'm going to go ahead and draw a line. Whoops. So there's my line. Okay. Then I'm going to go ahead and take that compass that I was using. It doesn't really matter how wide you open it. I'm just going to open it about this much because my circle is not that big, so I don't want my lines to be super out there. So remember this line you made? I'm going to draw a point for each of them so you guys can see. I'm going to take that compass, that sharp end, this that you see, you're going to put it on one of these points. It doesn't matter which one. I'm going to start with the one at the top. So I'm going to go ahead and put one there. Trying to move my hand away from the camera as much so you can see the compass. I'm going to go ahead and draw a little arc here. Then I'm going to keep it there, don't move it, draw another arc, and that's how you should look. Your arcs might be maybe more this way, out there, it doesn't matter, it depends on how wide you open this. I don't want to open them up super wide because then my arc might end up all the way up here. Okay, I'm going to take that same thing, now that pointy end is going to go on the other side. I'll move my hand right now. I'm just trying to position the compass. So now it's on the other end. Okay. I'm going to take that and I'm going to do the same thing on this side. Notice how they're intersecting. That's what I want. Now I'm going to go ahead and put a point for both. I'm going to take a ruler or protractor as long as it's a straight edge. I'm going to make sure that those 2 points that I just drew, they are going to connect when drawing a line. However, I'm not going to extend my line from here all the way over here because I just want a nice little diameter line so you guys can see. I don't need all of that, so I'm going to erase that. So notice how now you have a diameter. It should look like that. Okay. From there, they're going to go ahead and you're going to answer the questions B and C. And for this one, it says what name is given for each half of the circle. So make sure that you are labeling your stuff, okay? Because they're asking you to construct the diameter of the circle. Label the endpoints D and M, and the 0 or the O is the midpoint. So this is our O, D, and M, okay?